Hey everyone, we're gonna play I'm gonna sing a South Park Do What You Wanna Do. I got my guitar now. We're gonna sing. You gotta do what you wanna do. Don't let nothing get in your way. Chase your dream every day. True girl, you know you will. That's what you really wanna do. You gotta do what you wanna do. He was unhappy because he just wanted to play ball. But he finally got the courage to answer his heart code. Just like me, all I ever wanted was to sing and dance. And now that I stood up for my dream, I finally have the chance. You gotta do what you wanna do. Other people don't really want you to. True girl, you know it's true. You gotta do what you do. It's the thing that you do. Some kids think I'm strange cause I like studying born and ham. But I don't let that bother me because it's who I am. And I like nothing better than making fun of you. Everything on black people, so some people think it's true. But you gotta do what you wanna do. And do what you're doing, what's cool and popular with everyone else. Hey Brian, can we watch you practice basketball? Sure. Don't have restraint. None of this matter, you just got safe. You gotta do what you wanna do. Do what you wanna do. As long as what you wanna do is what everybody wants you to do. Blue, baby, buy some blue. Just in case what you're doing.
I thought you needed the enemy.
Huh? Where'd everybody go? And that's all. I hope you enjoy my song. And we will begin Elijah Fun Show.